Little Puff sleeping. Little Puff heard me. Yeah. Got my stuff here. I gotta go out there and plant some seeds in the garden. Got some okra, got pepper seeds, got a garlic that was just sitting on the counter. This is my my phone, my OtterBox thing. I put my phone in, and that's my little cool handy dandy thing I put my phone on. Little tripod. Let me get my boots on. Get my rubber boots on. It's been raining, so I figured I'd better wear my rubber boots today. Of course, my pants are dirty. Yeah, I think that's where the goat had diarrhea. I don't know. But anyway, let me get my boots on. Alright. Alright, let me pause this and pick up stuff. Got my duff. Got my boots on. Got my handy dandy stuff. And Puff's gonna. Whoop. Hope I didn't spill them. What are you doing? Oh, okay. You sleeping? Is that what you're doing? Hmm? No. Ain't no need to move. I'm just taking a picture. Alright. Take my duff. I'm gonna go out to the garden. Woo! Yeah, man, we had a bad storm come through. And that storm was whipping the trees around and raining hard. So the ground's kind of mushy out here. So it's not as humid as it was. It was pretty darn humid. But you can see how the ground is still wet. So anyway, I just didn't want to come out here with my tennis shoes on and, get my tennis shoes all wet and yacked out. So what I'm going to do out here in this garden, I'm going to put in a row or 2 rows, maybe of pepper plants or pepper seeds, maybe 2 rows of okra, and then find a little spot and put me a couple of cloves of garlic. So anyway, compost pile got rained on. Added some extra egg thing on top of it. It's funny how compost grows and then shrinks. Alright, let me get busy. I'm going to set up my camera and I'm going to be talking to you while I'm out here doing this. But I've got okra. These are the crimson spineless, so I'm going to do some of those. And then I've got probably 3 or 4 different types of peppers, some bell peppers and maybe banana peppers, and another type of pepper, and of course my garlic. Okay, I got my phone. You can see down there in my shadow, I got my phone on my little tripod thing. Anyway, I'm doing that so I can just set the phone down. But let me kind of turn that around so I can give you a little talk. Oh, I gotta get this thing adjusted. It wants to fall over. Anyway, been just busy working, doing things. Been working 2 full-time jobs and also doing projects around the house. And every once in a while I'll move things from the house in town out to our homestead out here. And anyway, I need to be able to do my videos a little bit better. So I'm trying to come up with a way to do things better. And another thing I'm thinking about doing is more gardening videos, because I do have some stuff growing. And like right here, I've got cantaloupe growing there. And over here. So and right there. So out and about in here, I've got cantaloupe growing. I've got some what do you call it? Sunflowers and all that. But one thing I'm really wanting to do is I'm wanting to build myself a workshop. I need to build a chicken coop over here where we're doing the this thing here. I don't have a tractor. I do have a riding lawnmower, but I got somewhere else I can park it temporarily. But in here, this is a nice little structure. I'm thinking maybe what I'll do, I'll just convert this into my chicken coop, and then out here have the have that where the compost pile is, have this inside a fenced in area, so my chickens can come in here and get in there and do stuff and be safe from being outside, because we do have predators. I've been seeing a hawk fly around, and I know my chickens would love to roam around out there, and I think I'll let them do that. I just don't want to lose them to raccoons or foxes or cats, or we do have wildcats around here. We got the tomcats, or not tomcats, yeah, the tomcats, or whatever you want to call them, the wildcats. But don't want to lose them. Don't want to lose chickens to any kind of predator. So this will be a project I'm going to start working on here soon. So I'm going to set up my camera over here. I know it just looks like yard right now, but at this angle it definitely does. I've got a lot of grass growing in there, but I will be going through and pulling grass out. Once I identify where everything's growing, I don't want to pull too much out where I don't know where stuff's growing. So I'm going to walk down there and give you an idea. I'm going to walk the boundary and see what you can see in this. But I'm also going to try to look around and see where I can plant some okra. While I was making my walk, I came over here, or I was walking through here, and I spotted, where is it? And I don't see it. Oh, I see it. Well, there's some more cantaloupe, but these right here, that's a sunflower. That's a sunflower. So we definitely got sunflowers popping up in here, so I got to be careful where I walk. And cantaloupes as well. So there's a little cantaloupe there, and right there, see, cantaloupe. So I've got cantaloupe down on this end, and sunflowers. So my sunflowers are like in an area, say, as wide as my hand there. Kind of just my hand as I'm going. Kind of like all the way down to down there, that end. So maybe like a 3-foot section all the way up and down this end. So if I come in on this side and get beyond where I planted my cantaloupe, maybe start about right there. Maybe I can do 2 rows of okra. What do you think? I think I can. I think I can. All right. So, is this corn? I don't know if that's corn or grass, but we did put corn out here. It could be corn. Could just be a grass though. Who knows? I'll just let it grow and see what happens. I don't want to mow that down. But anyway, just if you have any ideas, you know, or comments on what I should do with my little garden here, then you know, let me know in the comments. You know, I know I'm running late. I always call my garden the fall garden because I'm always falling behind. So anyway, that's where I'm at. So I'm gonna put the phone down. I'm gonna get busy, and I don't know. I'm gonna sit here and stare at my compost for a while because I was looking around to see if I see any mushrooms. I've come up with an idea. I'm thinking about buying Portobello mushrooms and putting them in a blender, and then taking that, kind of like sprinkling it all over my compost pile, and see if I can grow some Portobello mushrooms. That'd be something if I could. All right, talk to you later.